Hey everybody, it's Tina from Move with Courage Careers, and I'd like to invite you to look at my Career Vision Board workshop. I created this for clients who came to me ready to change something but not quite sure what yet. So they didn't have their vision or their goals or any of their mindset pieces in place yet. And so it was difficult for them to move forward on their resumes, their LinkedIn, their job search, anywhere that they'd have to really state their goals and targets. So that is who I created this for. And it's very common, if you are in a place where you're like, I don't know what my goals are. I've had clients tell me, wow, no one has asked me those questions, since college or since school. And it's okay if that is you and you are like, I don't have a vision. That's okay, because we will build that within the workshop. It is a recorded workshop, and I give you an editable PDF journal for you to go and use as you like alongside me, work along style in this presentation. And we're really going to reconnect into your inner leader, your inner CEO, your inner boss, whatever you call that piece of you that has been in charge of your goals this entire time, the piece of you that believes there's possibilities for you. And we're going to tap into that part of you in order to create a new vision for your career. This is incredibly important if you are considering some sort of transition or upgrading of some sort. It's also just really good practice as our lives move forward and we invariably grow and change. So let me know if you have any questions, and I hope to see you there.